Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work. PhoneTechAtWork.com is a brand, and I just wanted to tell you guys about the battery life that I got on my first run through with a T-Mobile SIM card that I installed in here actually yesterday. And I just wanted to tell you guys that it's good news. I did get over 6 hours of screen on time. So here's the screenshot on that one. But the one thing that I do have to tell you guys is that I think yesterday when I actually went to work, right, I was watching a stream and the phone had became super hot, guys. Like, it was so hot that I had to take a screenshot of it, and I actually downloaded an app that actually tells you how hot the phone actually got. 119.7 Fahrenheit degrees, which is amazing. So I actually have a part of the app that actually tells you what's the apps in the background that was running, and as you can see, it's saying that it's overheated. So what happened was I just had to restart the phone, and I didn't have no problems after that. But as far as the battery life so far, it has been pretty solid. I was actually watching a stream last night and everything fared well, and I woke up to about, I think probably 8% left. So that's about it for the video, guys. Something real quick to update you guys about the battery life. It has been pretty good, but the only problem with this phone is that it's super slippery. Alright guys, peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.